Are you truly ready for the Black Belt exam? In my experience, half of the candidates who fail the Black Belt exam do so because they lack a solid foundation in fundamental statistics, or they rely too heavily on their own company's internal jargon instead of the official ASQ terminology. This is a serious factor to consider as you begin your study journey. You might know exactly how your specific organization runs a project, but the exam tests your knowledge from the strict perspective of the ASQ body of knowledge. If terms like analysis of variance, fractional factorial design, or quality function deployment sound completely foreign to you, you will need to put in serious effort to bridge those fundamental gaps. Other candidates fail because their real world project experience is simply too narrow. They might only work in a traditional manufacturing setting, or they might only work in a corporate office handling transactional data. On the exam, you will encounter scenario based questions from a massive variety of industries. You must be able to recognize exactly what type of process the question is referring to and answer from that perspective. Let me give you a few examples of the different project scenarios you will be tested on. First is the traditional DMAIC approach. This is used for incrementally improving an existing process that is failing to meet customer expectations. A manufacturing example would be reducing the defect rate on a high speed bottling line. A transactional example would be cutting down the cycle time for processing mortgage applications. Second is the design for Six Sigma or DFSS approach. This is used when a process does not exist yet, or the current process is fundamentally broken beyond repair and must be replaced. An example would be designing a brand new mobile banking application from scratch to ensure it meets critical customer requirements before it is ever launched to the public. Third is the pure lean approach. This focuses heavily on speed, flow, and waste reduction rather than complex statistical variation. An example would be physically reorganizing a hospital emergency room using 5S principles to eliminate unnecessary movement and drastically reduce patient wait times. What is the true depth of your knowledge? Think about your own project experience. Have you been exposed to all of these different environments? To truly prepare for this certification, you must actively find and fill your knowledge gaps. My recommendation is to dive deep into complex situational practice questions. The more gaps you identify right now, the more effort you will need to dedicate to your preparation. Use these practice scenarios as a mirror to uncover your weaknesses so you can systematically fix them long before exam day. I have provided these guidelines as a downloadable file. Please click on the link in the description below to get your copy. Understanding the core philosophies and exam hacks we just covered is your first step. But your ultimate goal is not just learning theory, it is passing the exam, securing your ASQ certified Six Sigma Black Belt, and stepping into that elite tier of quality leaders. To get there, you must train your brain to dismantle real, high stakes scenario under pressure. My name is Rahul Iyer. As a Master Black Belt with over 2 decades of experience, I have trained more than 1 million students and certified over 100,000 professionals globally. When it comes to conquering the ASQ exam, you are in safe hands. That is exactly why I built my complete ASQ Black Belt simulation exam course. This is not just a test bank, it is a tactical training program. Plus, it is a fully CPD accredited course, meaning you will also earn valuable CPDs, CEUs, PDCs, and PDUs. Inside, you are getting an absolute arsenal, over 200 specific knowledge nuggets, crystal clear scenario translations, and my strict alphabetical breakdown of exactly why every single distractor is a calculated trap. I show you the exact mechanics of how to eliminate the noise and confidently select the right answer every single time. Do not risk nearly $600 in exam fee by walking into that Prometric center untested. Grab the full course using the link in the description, master the mechanics, and go claim your black belt. I will see you in the course.